Yangwang U8. The Yangwang U8 does not arrive quietly. It weighs nearly 3.5 tons, stands like an armored fortress, and carries technology so advanced it almost feels impossible the first time you see it move. This is BYD's statement to the luxury SUV world. A declaration that China no longer intends to compete politely. The quad-motor hybrid system produces over 1,180 horsepower and 1,280 newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.6 seconds. In something this massive, that alone should not exist. But the U8 was never built to follow ordinary logic. It can rotate on the spot like a military vehicle. It can continue driving even after a tire blowout. It can even float temporarily in emergency water conditions using sealed body engineering and intelligent torque distribution. This is not just luxury. This is technological dominance disguised as an SUV. The exterior looks brutal and futuristic at the same time. Massive LED lighting signatures. Sharp geometric body lines. A stance that makes ordinary luxury SUVs look outdated before they even move. And inside, the atmosphere changes completely. Nappa leather stretches across nearly every visible surface. Massive digital displays flow through the dashboard like liquid glass. Rear executive seating reclines electronically beneath ambient lighting calibrated with almost obsessive precision. The cabin feels less automotive and more architectural. The kind of silence that makes people lower their voice automatically. At this level, buyers are not searching for transportation anymore. They are searching for separation. Something rare. Something technologically untouchable. Starting near $150,000 fully specified, the Yangwang U8 isn't trying to become a Range Rover competitor. It's trying to replace the idea that luxury belongs to the West. And the frightening part? It's succeeding.